Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 69, Applications of Trigonometry, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is x, the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is y. Then the distance of the cloud from the point of observation is. We have solved a similar problem earlier in I think so video number 67. So 66 or 67 it might be. Check that. Okay. Similar problem. Here we are standing at a height h, right? We are not at the lake level or river level, right? See, this is a lake or river, means water, and height h. I am not standing at the river level. I am at a h meters above. Okay. Now what is it? I am looking from here at a cloud. The angle is x. Now I am looking down from here only, and I am seeing the reflection of this cloud over here. Now the important point over here is, see here, I am already h meters above, and let the capital H be the distance between myself, means from vertical height, from B to C, from me to that C vertical height. Let it be capital H. Okay. So when I look down at this cloud in the reflection, what is the total vertical height between me and that reflection? That is h small h first, and then this total height h plus h, that will be fully reflected inside. So the vertical height will be h plus capital H upon h. This is what you have to remember always, because this is the only moot point or only trick in this problem. So let's solve this now. Tan x equals to what? Let's look at this figure. Yeah, tan x equals to what? Capital H upon AB. This is AB. Okay. Therefore, AB equals to what? Capital H upon tan x. Okay. So tan y equals to what now? Depression angle. Tan y equals to, see this, h plus this distance, h plus h, right? Upon AB. Okay. Therefore, AB equals to what? H plus 2h, capital H plus 2 small h upon tan y, right? But AB are same. So what we'll do? Equate them. H upon tan x equals to h plus 2h upon tan y. Remember this capital and small h. Therefore solve this. H cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Take this tan y above, it becomes cot y, and remove the brackets. So h cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Okay, let's combine h. So h on other side. Therefore h into cot x minus cot y equals to 2h cot y, right? Okay. Therefore capital H equals to what? 2h cot y upon cot x minus cot y. Okay. Now check the answer what is given in your options. If it is given in the cot, and this is similar to that, leave it here itself. If it's given in tan, then convert all these cots in terms of tan. So I have done that. 2h into 1 upon tan y, the whole upon 1 upon tan x minus 1 upon tan y. So 2h upon tan y, the whole upon tan y minus tan x upon tan x tan y. Okay. Now a upon b, the whole upon c upon d equals to ad upon bc. Remember this always. So what will you get over here? 2h tan x tan y upon tan y into tan y minus tan x, right? Equals to 2h tan x, this tan y gets cancelled, upon tan y minus tan x. Okay. Now what do we want? We want AC. This point, this line we want, because distance of the cloud from the point of observation. So this is what we want. We don't want the vertical distance, right? We want the hypotenuse. So see this, sin x equals to now h upon AC. Okay. See this over here. So sin x equals to h upon AC, right? Therefore AC equals to h upon sin x, right? So h upon sin x means what? Put the value of h which we have got. So that is 2h tan x upon tan y minus tan x upon sin x. So this sin x will be down here, right? So solve it now. So 2h, now what is tan x? Sin x cos x. Sin x cos x upon sin x, right? This sin x down, into 1 upon tan y minus tan x, this one, right? So sin x gone, 2h cos x, 2h upon cos x into tan y minus tan x, right? Getting this point? Now check what is given in the exam. Generally it's given that 2h sec x, means this cos x is converted to sec x upon tan y minus tan x. Generally these are the answers given, but it depends on what your exam answers are. If they are given in terms of cot, then convert them to cot. If in tan, then convert them to tan from here itself. Don't go on solving, okay? From above only you can convert it over here, okay? So depending on the options given to you, if they give you in terms of sine and cos, then what will you do? Convert this tan y sin y cos y, tan x sin x upon cos x, right? And sec x 1 upon cos x. Then you can solve it that way also. Depends on what options are given to you. So this is the final answer. The distance is AC is 2h sec x upon tan y minus tan x. Next, two stations due south of a leaning tower which leans towards north are at a distances A and B from its foot. If x and y are the angles of elevations of the top of the tower from these stations, then its inclination theta to the horizontal is given by cot theta equals to, first understand the problem, the words are confusing. See here, this is a tower, this is leaning tower, right? Like you see in that pizza, right? Leaning tower. Now this is leaning towards north, so south will be on the other side. So what is there? Two stations due south means they are on the opposite side of the leaning, right? So they are over here, point number 1 and point number 2. Now they are at a distances A and B. Let this be A and let this be B. If x and y are the angles, means these x, the point which is at A has an angle x, the point which is at B has an angle y. Remember, important part is this is leaning towards north and these are towards the opposite side, okay? Now once you understand this, then the problem becomes easier. So A, B, that is given, x is given, y is given. This height h, let's assume this height as h and let this distance be p, small p, okay? So let's we have to find cot theta, okay? This theta, cot theta, okay? And this is the theta, theta is of the leaning tower, this angle is of the leaning tower, okay? So cot theta we have to find out. Tan theta equals to what? H upon p, h upon p, okay? So p equals to what? H upon tan theta, that is h cot theta, right? That much is clear, point number 1. Then tan x equals to what? This is tan x. What is that? H upon a plus p, right? This is small a and this is p, right? Therefore a plus p equals to h upon tan x, okay? So therefore a plus p, now what is p now? So h cot theta. Therefore a plus h cot theta, this one, equals to h upon tan x. So make it cot x. So a equals to h cot x minus h cot theta, right? This much is clear, a. Now about y. Tan y equals to, see here, tan y equals to h upon b plus p, h upon b plus p, right? Therefore h upon b plus what is p? H cot theta, right? Okay, so cross them. B plus h cot theta equals to h upon tan y. This tan y comes down, b plus h cot theta on the other side. So this becomes cot y, right? Therefore b plus h cot theta equals to h cot y, okay? Therefore b equals to what? Take h cot theta on the other side. B equals to h cot y minus h cot theta, right? That's what? Okay, next. Therefore a upon b equals to what? H into cot x minus cot theta, right? Here we got it, a upon h into cot y minus cot theta. H is gone, right? Cot x minus cot theta upon cot y minus cot theta, that is a upon b. Now solve this. Therefore a cot y minus a cot theta, cross them, equals to b cot x minus b cot theta. Okay, we want theta, focus on theta only. So a cot y minus b cot x, take on other side and cot theta on the other side, equals to a cot theta minus b cot theta, right? Okay. So cot theta into a minus b equals to, see this, cot theta, see here, this x is on the other side, theta is on the other side. I have taken theta on left hand side and x and y on the right hand side because we want theta. You can take it anything anywhere, but the point is keep all of them at the same place. So cot theta into a minus b equals to this one, a cot y minus b cot x, right? Therefore cot theta equals to a upon b, a minus b comes below, a cot y minus b cot x upon a minus b. That is the required answer, or check what is given in the exam, the options, or you can write it b cot x minus a cot y upon b minus a, one and the same. Or if it's given in the exam in terms of sine cos, then convert this to sine cos. But generally this much is kept as a answer in the exams. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.